And we have another controversy brewing, and this time it is by a Padma awardee himself. He has made a big attack on the Congress. He has claimed about an anti-Hindu agenda in Karnataka. I am talking about former civil servant RVS Mani. He has made explosive allegation. He is a former official of the Home Ministry of India, and he has blasted the past governments, especially the Congress government. Remember, he is the official who had said that he was forced into saying that there was a saffron terror narrative that was built up around that time, and he said he was coerced into doing this. And this is exactly what the Padma awardee is now talking about. He is lauding national security push under the current government.
Many congratulations.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
आप किस तरीके से देखते हैं, बिकॉज ये कईयों ने सोचा होता है, कईयों को होता है कि मुझे मिले, लेकिन आपकी जिस तरीके की सर्विसेज रही हैं, सिविल सर्विस के लिए आपको मिला है, सो व्हाट वुड यू लाइक टू से?
I would like to congratulate the honorable Prime Minister of the country and the Home Minister. ये बहुत बड़ी बात है मेरे लिए. ठीक है, योगदान जितना भी रहा है मेरा योगदान रहा है, परंतु वो दरबारी को छोड़ के अब ऐसे योगदान देने वालों को जो आजकल पद्मश्री दी जा रही है, एक ये बहुत बड़ी बिंदु है भारत के इतिहास में. और इसी प्रधानमंत्री में विशेष तौर पे सुरक्षा के जो ऊपर जो योगदान दिया है, ऐसे लोगों को अगर आज सम्मानित किया जा रहा है तो एक स्टेटमेंट है, एक मैसेज है प्रधानमंत्री और सरकार की तरफ से, होम मिनिस्टर की तरफ से, कि जो देश के लिए खड़ा होगा उनके साथ हम खड़े रहेंगे.
Right, so you just heard the former Under Secretary in the Union Home Affairs Ministry, the MHA, where he is saying that how the Padma Awards are being given now, this is a central point. Kendra Bindu, he is saying, which has now started. Now he's clearly lauding the national security push. Remember, he's widely known for his 2016 allegations that he was forced by the political leadership in 2009 to sign an affidavit that, according to him, fabricated a narrative of saffron terror at that point of time. Joining us right now is India Today's Aman Bharadwaj. Aman, do tell us the controversy that is being raked up right now. What is the central point of it?
See, RVS Mani got the Padma Shri award, and back in time, years back, he has in a book, namely Division, he has mentioned that he was forcefully he was forced to submit an affidavit citing the saffron. The conspiracy on saffron, basically the Hindu, targeting Hindu, and there was a conspiracy against Hindus that he has mentioned. And in his book, he has also mentioned that he was forced to give an affidavit on this controversy. And now, when he has got the Padma Shri award, so he has thanked the BJP government that though it has been 6 to 7 years now, but he has been awarded for the work he has done. And also for the, because he was secretary in MHA, Ministry of Home Affairs, and when several decisions were taken, but now the government is standing by the people who has done work for the nation and for the government of India. And he has also mentioned the conspiracies that were going in Congress government, and he has also alleged that in Congress, whether on party basis or on government, several decisions are being taken to gain the vote bank, whether it's
Right.
Hindu or the other communities. And he has also mentioned the blast case of
Right.
Samjhota Express, that Hindu leaders were targeted, but
Right. Clearly, RVS Mani is the man who had brought up that issue that there was probably a saffron terror term that got coined at that point of time. He blamed the governments for doing it. Thank you very much for all this, Aman.